Hey guys, how's it going? Another challenge for Rastislav, as I mentioned last time. I would like to give it a go and try this bird's eye chili. I did a little bit of a research. They use it in South Asian regions a lot for Thai salads, for in India for curries, and in Vietnam for hot dipping sauces, and it's considered to be um, quite a hot chili, like a hot chili. Um, I checked few websites, and some of them they had it under just around 100,000 units on a Scoville scale. I just checked the Pepperheads website, where they stated it's around anywhere from 100 to 225,000 units on a Scoville scale. So that is some serious heat involved in this one. Doesn't look big, but yeah, I bet it's going to be a challenge for sure. Feel a little bit weird because this is the hottest I've probably ever tried, and I have no idea how hot this is going to be. Got myself some milk and some yogurt to neutralize the heat, and napkins for wiping my sweat, which is going to come for sure eating this one, I believe. Well, I'll just give it a go. Here we go. Bird's eye review and a challenge. Good luck, Rastislav. Hot. Straight away, real hotness on my tongue. And it's building up. My tongue is on fire. That's it. Little shivers as usual. It's building, and it's going in here to my ears. It's already down in my tummy, and it's building. Yeah, this is probably the hottest one I've ever tasted. Saying that, I still can I still can talk, and my nose is not running that much as I expected. My eyes are a little watery, but this is if it won't get any hotter than this is pretty bearable. So this should be on a Scoville scale anywhere from 100,000 to 225,000 units. Habanero is ranked 350 plus, and that's probably going to be the next one I would like to go for and review that. Yeah, it's still on my on my tongue, quite intense, but I must say not as intense as I expected. Jalapeno was crunchy, was very tasty, fresh. It was really nice. It was a green pepper, so cayenne pepper tasted a little different, and the heatness after jalapeno disappeared after a few minutes, 10, 15, 20 minutes. While with cayenne pepper, it lasted a couple of hours. I felt it in my whole body, the heatness. This I'm quite surprised that it wasn't any hotter as it was. See what will habanero will taste like. That's really something I'm looking forward to it. I'm very happy I did this one, and something to look forward to. After habanero, I'll see how that goes. From there on, the really spicy hot chilies. I'm quite happy this is over now, and look forward to habanero challenge. You guys have a lovely day, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.